GCSE question. We have a quadratic graph and we are given the points it passes through and we want to find W. And this question is actually extremely nice because if you follow this question coordinate by coordinate by coordinate, you will just get to the answer. And you'll see why in a second. We have this equation and we need to find P and R, right? Obviously, because without P and R, W is a bit useless. And the reason why it works so simply and so nicely is if you sub that in, you'll get 4 equals 0 plus P0 plus R, meaning R is 4. Obviously, it was always just going to be the plus C because you know it's the intercept. But now we have from that y equals x squared plus px plus 4. Now we move on to the next point, 1, 3. So actually, up here I'll just write 0, 4. So now we write 1, 3, and now we sub it in again. So we have 3 equals 1 squared, which is 1, plus p times 1, which is p, plus 4. That gives you 5, p is minus 2. Write it out again, y equals x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now you want to find w, so you sub this in. W equals, oh, I completely forgot my own system, 8w, so w equals 8 squared is 64, minus 2 times 8 plus 4, w equals 64 minus 16 plus 4. This is actually on a calculator paper. If one of you dare pick up your calculator, I'm going to haunt your dreams. I'm going to keep saying that to people now. You don't need a calculator to do this. You also don't need to use your fingers. Multiple ways you could do this. Just look, minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. That's a lot easier to do because you don't have to think about like 4 minus 6. So let's say we want to make it really easy on ourselves. 64 minus 12, okay? And that becomes 52. Now some smart kid is going to go, oh, but I could do it quicker on my calculator. Sure, I could do it quicker in my head than you could do it on the calculator. Get used to it, get comfortable with it, and it'll become quicker. There's loads of examples I've shown in previous videos where doing it by hand will pay off. So get comfortable with it, get quicker at it, and click on the Uber calculator.